Alright guys, today we're changing my parking brake shift boot of my 335i today, and this kind of applies to any E90 or series at all, like any of the 3 series in this generation. I'm sure even the 1 series is pretty similar too, but I'm not quite sure on that. So my car has the really, let's just say, undesirable cream and black interior with the weird wood. I'm going to wrap all this wood black, and then I actually don't mind the cream color, it's just a bit too much of it, so I'm going to dye like the top half of the door cards black, as well as the bottom portion. Kind of similar to the combination on the saddle brown interiors, except mine's obviously cream and not saddle brown. And eventually I kind of want to get black carpets, but that's kind of a big job to do, so you know, we'll see. But for now, we're going to start off with replacing this weird kind of, this isn't even black, it's like brown, so kind of confused by that, but either way it's going to come off. And then I got this M Performance one used off eBay. I mean, not perfect shape, but I think it'll look better than this one, especially because it's so dirty easily. So literally all you gotta do is I can open this up a little bit, your center console. It's pretty messy. Check out my iPod. And then you literally just pry up, and then it comes off. It's that easy. I kind of loosened mine beforehand, but that's essentially all you do, and then you pull right here, and it comes off. And then for the new one, put the new one inside out, kind of how the old one came off. Put this down for a second. Like that, inside out, right? And then you just gotta slide it on. You hear the click, there we go. And then it's back down, and then you gotta put all the tabs back in, just as they were before. And yeah, once you get the tabs back in, this is what you got. I think it looks a lot better than the old one. It'll look even better when I get all this wood black. I'm planning on making a video soon of a 10-inch Android system here, because this car came with no iDrive, obviously. I'm kind of considering leaving the dash empty like this, because I mean, I've been living with it this entire time, and I kind of like the clean look, but I do think in terms of daily driving it, the dash would be nice, and add CarPlay to it, Bluetooth music and all that. So yeah, that's coming in the future. And also I got a steering wheel cover for the steering wheel. I'll eventually get a new steering wheel, but I kind of don't mind it how it is, but I want like some newer leather on top of it, and I found this one you actually have to sew yourself onto it, so it's not like your usual steering wheel cover. I think it'll look good, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this interior. Might do some small things like, you know, wrap this section. This piece is kind of faded and chipping away. I do like the M Sport shifter a little bit more, but that's not a really huge deal. Right now I'm kind of more focused on the more like, you know, performance mods and maintenance and all that, and then I'll focus on the interior after. So this is the first interior mod so far. Actually, second interior mod. First interior mod was the gloss black start button, but first, like, you know, bigger interior mod, so that's kind of cool. And that's it for this video.